In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up hotkeys in NinjaTrader 8. Hotkeys let you trigger your favorite commands with a quick keystroke, which can save precious time and keep your focus where it matters, on the market. We'll walk through the process clearly so you can set them up with confidence. Start with NinjaTrader open on your desktop. At the very top of the main platform window, look for the menu bar and click on Tools. From that menu, select Hotkeys. This brings up the place where all shortcut customization happens. You'll now see a list of commands neatly organized into categories. Think of these categories as sections of the platform: charting, orders, drawing tools, and so on. Next to each command is a field that shows the shortcut assigned to it. If a command doesn't have a shortcut yet, the field will appear blank and ready for you to set one. Find the specific action you want to control with a hotkey. Click directly in the shortcut field next to that action. As soon as you click, NinjaTrader starts listening for your keyboard input. Now press the exact key combination you want to use. For example, you might hold Ctrl and Shift, then tap a letter. You don't have to type symbols or plus signs, just press the keys at the same time, and you'll see your combination appear in the field right away. If you change your mind, simply click the field again and press a different combination. The new one will replace the old instantly. A good rule of thumb is to use modifier keys like Ctrl, Alt, or Shift with a letter or number. This helps you create shortcuts that are easy to remember and less likely to conflict with other commands on your computer. Also, think about your workflow. Assign the most comfortable combinations to the actions you use most, so they're effortless to reach during busy moments. You can repeat this process for as many actions as you like. Move through the categories, click in the shortcut fields, and press your chosen combinations. Take a moment to scan the list so you understand what each command does and avoid setting overlapping shortcuts for similar actions. And that's it. By clicking Tools, selecting Hotkeys, choosing your action, and pressing the keys you want, your custom hotkeys are set and ready. The next time you're working in NinjaTrader 8, you'll be able to trigger those commands instantly with your new shortcuts, keeping your trading smooth, efficient, and focused.